Welcome to our roundup of the best zero-gravity chair options. Whether you want to relax in your backyard, enjoy a peaceful afternoon on the patio, or simply reduce pressure on your back and legs, zero-gravity chairs offer one of the most comfortable seating experiences available. In this video, we've selected some of the top-rated zero-gravity chairs that combine durability, comfort, and smart design features. We'll walk you through each model's key highlights, including frame strength, reclining comfort, portability, weight capacity, and overall build quality. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals and product links. Now let's dive in. The first on the list is the Patio Oversized Zero-Gravity Chair. The Patio Oversized Zero-Gravity Chair is built for those who want maximum comfort and extra room while relaxing outdoors. Designed with a sturdy steel frame and a spacious seating area, it offers a supportive and stable lounging experience that works perfectly for patios, gardens, camping trips, or poolside relaxation. Oversized, comfortable design, heavy-duty steel frame, and smooth zero-gravity reclining make this chair stand out right from the start. The larger seating surface allows users to stretch out comfortably, while the breathable fabric keeps the seat cool even during warm weather. One of the highlights of this chair is its smooth reclining mechanism. With a simple shift in body weight, the chair transitions effortlessly into the zero-gravity position, lifting your legs and evenly distributing your weight to reduce pressure on your spine. This design helps improve circulation and provides a floating sensation that many users find incredibly relaxing. The adjustable locking system allows you to secure the chair in multiple reclining angles, giving you complete control over your comfort level, whether you want to sit upright or fully recline. Overall, the Patio Oversized Zero-Gravity Chair is an excellent option for anyone looking for a spacious, durable, and comfortable outdoor recliner that delivers true zero-gravity relaxation. Next up is the Nestle Zero-Gravity Chairs Set. The Nestle Zero-Gravity Chairs set offers an excellent combination of comfort, convenience, and value, especially for people who want a complete outdoor relaxation setup. Sold as a set, these chairs are perfect for patios, balconies, gardens, or even camping trips with family and friends. Right away, adjustable reclining system, durable breathable fabric, and portable folding design make this set an appealing choice for outdoor lounging. The chairs are designed to provide a balanced reclining experience that mimics the weightless feeling of zero gravity, helping reduce strain on your body while you relax. Each chair features a strong steel frame that provides reliable support while maintaining a lightweight structure. Overall, the Nestle Zero Gravity Chairs set offers great comfort, easy portability, and reliable durability, making it an excellent choice for couples or anyone who wants multiple chairs for outdoor relaxation. Next, we have the SUTEC Oversized Zero-Gravity Chair. The SUTEC Oversized Zero-Gravity Chair is designed with comfort and durability in mind, making it a strong contender for anyone looking for a premium relaxation chair. Its spacious seating design and heavy-duty construction provide excellent support, while maintaining the signature floating feel that zero-gravity chairs are known for. Extra-wide seat design, high-weight capacity frame, and adjustable reclining lock system are three standout features that immediately make this chair appealing. The wider seat ensures users of different body types can relax comfortably without feeling restricted. One of the biggest strengths of the SUTEC chair is its sturdy construction. The reinforced steel frame is designed to support higher weight limits while maintaining excellent stability. This makes it particularly suitable for people who prefer a more robust and secure outdoor chair. The durable frame also contributes to long-lasting reliability, making it a great investment for regular outdoor use. Comfort is another area where this chair shines. The breathable mesh fabric is designed to adapt to your body shape while maintaining airflow to keep the seating surface cool. The chair also includes a thick adjustable pillow that can be used as a headrest or lumbar support depending on your preferred seating posture. This flexibility helps reduce pressure on the neck and lower back, especially during longer relaxation sessions. Overall, the SUTEC Oversized Zero-Gravity Chair delivers excellent comfort, durability, and spacious design, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking for a heavy-duty relaxation chair. Next, we have the slender, oversized Zero-Gravity Chairs XXL.
The slender, oversized zero-gravity chairs XXL are built for people who want extra space and strong support while relaxing outdoors. These chairs feature a large seating area and a reinforced structure that provides a stable and comfortable lounging experience. Extra-large seating area, heavy-duty reinforced frame, and smooth reclining mechanism are the standout features that make this chair especially appealing for outdoor lounging. The spacious design allows users to stretch out comfortably while enjoying the pressure-relieving benefits of the zero-gravity position. One of the main highlights of this chair is its sturdy construction. The reinforced steel frame is designed to support higher weight limits, making it a dependable option for a wide range of users. The durable structure helps minimize wobbling and ensures that the chair remains stable even when fully reclined. This level of durability makes it suitable for both everyday use and outdoor gatherings. Comfort is a major focus of the slender chair. The breathable mesh fabric provides flexibility and airflow, allowing the chair to adapt to your body shape while preventing heat buildup. The adjustable headrest pillow offers additional neck support, making it easier to relax for extended periods. The wide armrests add further comfort and stability when getting in and out of the chair. Overall, the slender, oversized zero-gravity chairs XXL offer spacious comfort, strong durability, and smooth reclining performance, making it a great option for anyone seeking a large and supportive relaxation chair. The last one on our list is the FDW Zero-Gravity Lawn Chairs. The FDW Zero-Gravity Lawn Chairs are a popular choice for people looking for a simple, comfortable, and affordable relaxation chair. Designed with convenience and portability in mind, these chairs deliver the classic zero-gravity experience without unnecessary complexity. Lightweight folding design, durable steel frame, and adjustable reclining comfort are three features that make this chair stand out for everyday outdoor use. One of the biggest advantages of the FDW chair is its lightweight construction. Despite having a sturdy steel frame, the chair remains easy to move and carry. This makes it ideal for outdoor activities like camping, beach trips, picnics, or backyard gatherings. The foldable design also allows you to store the chair quickly when it is not in use, saving valuable space. Comfort is another key strength of the FDW chair. The breathable mesh fabric supports the body while promoting airflow, helping keep the seating surface cool during warm weather. Overall, the FDW zero-gravity lawn chairs offer excellent value with reliable comfort, easy portability, and durable construction, making it a great choice for anyone looking to enjoy the benefits of a zero-gravity chair without spending too much. So that's it for the best zero-gravity chairs you can consider today. If this video helped you find the right chair for your relaxation needs, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful product guides just like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay comfortable and relaxed.